Part A, the new Air album has... Do you know who Air is? I'm so proud of you. A lot of people don't know who Air is. Yes. Not Air Supply, Air. We're talking about the same French band?
I've seen it before.
All right. It's a good album. Google it. Feel free to. It has 12 songs. How many 3-song playlists can be made, assuming the order in which the songs is played is important and the songs cannot repeat? This can actually be done 2 ways. But since the direction says using permutations, we're going to use permutations. So we're going to do a permutation here, and the reason it's a permutation is because order is important and the songs cannot be repeated. So we have ourselves a permutation. N is the total number of objects you can choose from. How many total songs can we choose from? 12. And out of those 12 songs, how many are we choosing? 3 for our 3-song playlist. So R is the number of elements you're choosing from. Actually, choosing, period. So 12, the N is the number of elements you can choose from. R, 3 is the number of elements you are choosing. To put this into your calculator, turn on your calculator. Wait for your calculator to load. Oh my gosh, that's huge. Let me clear that screen. Yep. All right. So to do this, you're going to type in 4. I lied. Don't type in 4. I don't know where that came from. You're going to type in 12. You're going to go to Math. Scroll over to PRB. And you'll notice there, number 2 says NPR. So please select number 2. And then hit the number 3. So permutation of 12 objects taken a 3 at a time in your calculator is 12 NPR3. Hit enter. There's 1,320 different 3-song playlists that you can make. Because think about it, you can pick the first 3. You get 1, 2, and 4, 1, 2, and 5, 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 7, so on and so forth. But 1, 2, 4 is not the same as 4, 1, 2, because we said order does matter. Is that okay? I will not be asking you to list them all, because you'll be there for a while. One more time, please. That would be section 8.2. So we can do this problem again in the next section. All right. What was that number, 1230? No. 1320? Thank you. Now the other way we could have done it is that we have a 3-song playlist. How many songs can we pick for the first song? 12. And how many songs? For the second song, 11. And the third song, 10. Well, 12 times 11 times 10 is also 1320. So if you don't want to use your permutations, fine. You can do your product rule. It'll be the exact same formula, or exact same answer.
How do you do it again?
So notice part B, I'll be right with you. Part B is just like our multiplication problem. It is the multiplication problem. It was part C in our multiplication problem from previously. So please try this one. So what do you think the setup is for part B here? So we have to first pick a letter. So out of the 26 letters, we're picking 3. And then what? Yep, so out of the 10 numbers, we're picking 4 of them. And what do I do with these 2 values? Why? What word is implied? What word is implied? And is implied, because you have to pick a letter and a number. And since you're doing more than one implied, since you're doing more than one thing, you multiply.
It's just because you're doing both things.
One more time?
It's just because you're doing both things.
Well, just because the word and is implied. If the word or was implied or stated, you would add. So if you did 26 and 3 times 10 NPR 4 in your calculator, you'll get that, what was it, 78 million? Oh, that's supposed to be a 6. Now it is 624, 000.